Are you looking for the best sofa arm tables in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best sofa arm tables that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. Sugar Tree Collective Sofa Arm Table. The premium quality wood construction of this sofa arm table will ensure there will be enhanced longevity. It comes in the form of a couch armrest table and can be ideal for sofa arms of different sizes. Additionally, it has an attractive look that can hold multiple items at a time. You will also find strong hinged clips that help to prevent any kind of movement. Moreover, it comes with a perfect grip so that you can even use it on uneven sofa arms. Furthermore, the brown stain finish gives it a vintage look. At number 4. Designer Dacor Sofa Arm Table. The spacious design of this sofa arm table will offer you many options. It comes in a specialized design and can accommodate many things including phone, remote control, and much more. Furthermore, it helps to prevent slippage, and you can even lay it flat like an ottoman person. It is composed of 100% pine and has a matte finish. Moreover, it allows you to use it for a long time, and it is in a versatile design. Additionally, the product has an attractive look and can easily blend with any type of decor. At number 3. MyStar Sofa Tray Table. The sofa arm table can be a perfect organizer. You can use it with square chair arms and have an easy setup. Moreover, it is composed of engineered wood and is very durable. It allows you to have easy access and features an EVA base. Furthermore, you will also find 2 pocket organizers for having better flexibility. This will make a perfect gift item to anyone, and it has an attractive look. Additionally, you can choose from 2 different colors and match them with your style. At number 2. GEHE Sofa Arm Tray Table. This one comes in a unique design and can be perfect for keeping your beverages and remote control. The sofa arm table is composed of bamboo material, and it has an attractive look. Furthermore, it comes with a beautiful coat finish so that there will be easy cleaning. With this, you don't have to worry about spillage or stains. Moreover, the 100% organic material is safe to use. Additionally, you can use it with any size of the sofa arm. It is available in a perfect size and offers you better convenience. At number 1. My Sofa Arm Clip Table. The sofa arm table will let you have easy access to your snacks and drinks. It has better strength and makes sure there will be no movement. Moreover, this will give you the option to use it with both square and round arms. This will allow you to assemble it without the use of any tools. Additionally, the product is composed of food-grade material and is very durable. You can even uninstall it within a second and have a better advantage. Furthermore, it is available in a collapsible design so that you can have compact storage. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.